Donna Zalter, Compass Realtor. Today we're going to be discussing something a little bit painful, and that is the rising costs of condo ownership in South Florida, particularly older condos. And we'll go through the reasons why. But this is very important for many of you, many of my sellers, because I do a lot of work in these older buildings, to understand that the market is not what it was 3 years ago, even 2 years ago. Okay, so we're going to talk about the Florida Condo Associations are hiking fees to meet safety standards. So we all know what happened, unfortunately, in Surfside. I think it was 3 years ago now. Terrible. Basically due to construction flaws and deferred maintenance, which was allowed to be decided by the condo board, the building collapsed. Without going into too many details, there have been repercussions and new laws that have evolved from this disaster. We are going to be talking about how that impacts the older condo market. So stay tuned. I divided this into 3 parts so you wouldn't get bored. So stay tuned for part 1. Donna Zalter, Compass Realtor, 954-483-4212. Thank you.